Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back. I don't know why I do that. I cannot sing. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty. You guys, I have a couple of units I'm going to share with you guys today, but I'm going to start with this bob I purchased on, dang, I don't remember where I purchased this from. I purchased this so long ago and I never reviewed it. So, but this wig that I'm wearing, and yes, I have one that's in a pack because I have several of them. I don't remember what I was doing. I have several of them though. So if you guys are looking for these units, I have several of them on I'm going to put them on my website because I have them in different colors, but I really only need it in black. But anyway, you guys, so this is the unit. This is TALIA, and TALIA is 12 inches long, this 12-inch bob, and it is by Sensational. Every time I see the spelling of their name, I'm like, they were going somewhere with the two N's and the EL, Sensational. So I kind of want to say their name like Sensational instead of Sensational because they added the two N's for a reason, I think. Anyway, but yeah, so this color, like the one that's in this packet, it said it's a 1, but then the color that the model has, it's in it is BG, which is burgundy, and I have one in that color as well. I'm not going to try it on because it's the same wig. There's nothing really different about it unless you guys want to see me wear the burgundy one or the 613, which is like that platinum blonde. If you guys want to see me wear those ones so you can see what they look like, I can. Very simple, very easy to put on. There are no combs in this. Hold on. No, there are no combs. No combs that I felt anyway. I don't have any combs. There is an adjustable strap, so it's just literally just a wig cap. It's an instant fashion wig, so you can instantly put this on and it's giving you fashion life. Very easy, very simple, very go-to-ish. So I definitely think this is an everyday wig for some. Not everybody can rock bangs, or not everybody likes to rock bangs, but and I'm definitely one of those people that for a long time I was like, I can't wear bangs. Like, I would not put bangs on for nothing. But over time, I got really used to trying so many different things, and bangs was one of the things that I was determined to make work for me. And I wore a banged wig, and it was the worst color to wear bangs in. My husband kept joking about it made me look like a news anchor or something like that. He said it made me look like a news anchor. So very easy going, and it does bump back up. It can take heat up to 400, so 350 to 400. It is 100% premium fiber, so it is synthetic. And anytime a wig says on there that it can take heat, or that it's heat safe up to, it's synthetic. It's mostly synthetic than it is human hair, so just keep that in mind next time you're wondering whether or not it's how much human hair is in it, if any. But yeah, so this is just a really quick, brief run through. I love this look. It definitely is a go-to on days when you just don't want to do nothing else, or even the days when your eyebrows aren't done. I go to bangs, so sometimes this might be the look for that. You definitely want to do your little face, get a little beak going. But yeah, it's a cute little wig. I like it a lot, and I'm glad to share it with you guys. So if you guys need any deets on where you can purchase this wig, or any deets on the wig, I will sit down in the description box. Like I said, I have a few of these, so if y'all are interested in any of them, please let me know. That's it for today, you guys. This is a really simple, quick, easy wig to review. Hope you guys will like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay royal.